हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल म्यूजिक्स ऑफ आकांक्षा। मैं हूं आकांक्षा और मैं लाई हूं आज आपके लिए एक स्पेशल वीडियो विच इज अ ट्रैवल गाइड टू माय एब्सोल्युटली फेवरेट सिटी ऑफ द कंट्री, जयपुर। Yes, Jaipur is a place where I visit every year. Me, my husband, my kids, we all love Jaipur. And whenever we get 2-3 days of time and we want to go to a quick place for refreshing ourselves and refreshing ourselves from our hectic routines, we go to Jaipur. So if you want to come to Jaipur, or if you're planning a trip to Jaipur with your friends, your family, your kids, your parents, or even solo, this video is going to be your one-stop place for all the information regarding Jaipur. If you're looking for hotel recommendation, Rajasthani food recommendations, entertainment recommendations, don't go anywhere else. Stay tuned to this video. So let's start it. Okay, so first things first, where should we stay? Wherever we go, there is one place that we will absolutely need, and that is a place to stay, accommodation. You know the best thing about Jaipur, that there is a place for everyone, every budget, every mood, every vibe. It all depends upon what kind of a place you're looking. So I have filtered for you places according to your mood, your vibe and your budget. So here we go. If your budget is, let's say, under 4,000 rupees per night and you're looking for a modern, chic kind of a vibe hotel, you can stay at Ibis Hotel, Jaipur. If you're traveling solo and if you're looking for a place that gives you hostel wala vibe, you can go to Zostel, Jaipur. Or if you're looking for a place which has a very royal or a heritage kind of a vibe, you can go to Umaid Bhavan Heritage House Hotel. It's a lovely place to stay. Will give you all the royal feels. Okay, so if your budget is under 10,000 rupees per night to stay and you're looking for a place which is all and all out and out modern, you can go to Lemon Tree Hotels. If you're looking for a place which is a hotel but gives a feel of a resort and has a little bit of heritage touch, you can go to Trident Hotels. Tried and tested. I have stayed at Trident twice and trust me, I'll always stay at Trident in Jaipur now. If you're looking for a place which is at the center of the city, you can go to Holiday, which is right at the center of the city, and there is a mall across the road, so kids are going to love the place. And if your budget goes up to 15,000, then you can stay at ITC Rajputana, a address to pure royalty, pure luxury. Also, you can stay at Fairmont. Trust me, another royal hotel. It is a little far off from Jaipur. It is at Kukas, which is on the way to Jaipur, which I guess would take around 40 minutes to reach to Jaipur main city. But it is also another address for luxury. And now Kukas also has Taj Hotels. Taj Hotel, no questions asked, nothing said. Name for a ultimate hospitality experience. You can always stay at Taj if your budget is above 15,000. Traveling with kids? No problem. Jaipur is actually super kids friendly place. Go to Nahargarh. Easy to go and stunning views. Kids are going to love the view that they'll see from there. Go to Birla Planetarium. Science and entertainment is equal to a lot of win-win situation. Go to Albert Hall Museum. Those little curious minds are going to love the place. Go to Chaukidhani. What not you can do there? You can dance to Rajasthani folk song. You can apply mehendi. You can get your head, have a oil wali champi. You can do horse riding, elephant riding, boating and what not. It gives you total Mela wali feel. Okay, now my favorite part. The food of Jaipur is lip smacking food you get at Jaipur. So if you're looking for a royal culinary experience, go to 1135 AD inside the Amer Fort. If you're looking for a cultural buffet, authentic Rajasthani feel, totally made in Rajasthani flavors, go to Chaukidhani. Nothing can beat the place. If you have a sweet tooth, go to Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar, right at the center of the city. And if you're looking for some street food, go to Rawatji Ki Kachori. And if you're traveling with your friends and looking for a place for a good nightlife, trust me, Jaipur is no less in nightlife. You can go to Club Truth, you can go to House of People, you can go to Astria, you can go to Blackout. There are a lot of places which have great party scenes, great cocktails, rooftop, lounge area, great music, awesome places. Now comes shopping. जयपुर गए और शॉपिंग नहीं करी तो जयपुर जाने का फायदा क्या हुआ? Shopping in Jaipur is actually a therapy. You can go to Bapu Bazaar, Johari Bazaar. You can go to MI Road, which also has brands. You can go to Tripolia Bazaar. There are a lot of things you can shop from Jaipur. Jaipuri quilts, Jaipuri chadre, Jaipuri rajai, Jaipuri bangles, lakh wali chudiyan. You see what not? Jaipuri jutiyan. There are so many things that you can buy from Jaipur. Jaipur ki junk jewelry. Oh wow. And if all you are looking for is AC and chill, you can go to World Trade Park, Mall of Jaipur, GT Mall. There are so many malls where you will find a lot of things for entertainment, for food and for shopping. Simple. Sometimes when you're traveling with kids, going to a gaming zone becomes a necessity. So there are a lot of gaming zones in Jaipur. You can go to VR theme park, you can go to Zoreco, you can go to House of Play. Just look out for gaming zones. There are so many gaming zones, and wherever you'll stay, no matter wherever you stay in the city, there will be one gaming zone nearby. So not bad at all. And that's my Jaipur in a nutshell. The city has so much to offer, from history to culture to food to shopping experiences and to just relaxing vibes. And not to forget the Mausam. The Mausam is so good here, so good here. You may find it hot in summers, but it's still so great in evenings. The place is lovely. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. In your comments, tell me your favorite place in Jaipur or where are you planning to go in Jaipur. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done that already, and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Tata, bye bye, namaste.